Hi and welcome to Cheeky Richo's Mango Bellinis. We're using some Australian sparkling wine, some Australian fresh mangoes and ice you can get anywhere. Into the Thermochef we go. We're going to blitz this, speed 7 for 30 seconds. Okay, after our 30 seconds our ice is completely pulverized. Our fruit is smooth and creamy, very, very cold. And that is what you should have. Okay, we ladle our mango mixture into our glasses. It's a good idea to use champagne glasses for this, but it's going to be very difficult to pour this in. So for ease of use, we're using a different glass. Our wine bowl's being opened very slowly at the moment. Now we just pour our sparkling wine in on top of our mango. Very, very carefully, because it is going to want to fizz everywhere. And there you have it, Cheeky Richo's Mango Bellinis. I hope you enjoyed this little demonstration. If you'd like to see more interesting ideas, just check out my Cheeky Richo channel and please subscribe. Do come back and visit us again soon. We have so much more to show you. And thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely day.